Life safety issues exist. Emergency repairs required before restoration to make ready for intended use. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Fire escape engineer's inspection summary video. So I'm just gonna go through the system real quick, everything that we found. We did find some multiple first of all, sorry, we're located on the C side of the building. It's a masonry 2-story block structure, painted steel fire escape, all welded, overlap components. Deficiencies in the masonry where the embedded points are. There are deficiencies in the treads, broken welds from an impact. You can see an impact here in the structure. And then other than that, she will fill at this time. Paint would be a pass. It does have good paint. That's about the only thing. And she does not come down. She's frozen from the impact in the box here. So we'll bring this back for review. Do a full inspection. Photos, jacket. Fire escape engineers, inspection summary.
Life safety issues exist. Emergency repairs required before restoration to make ready for intended use. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.